Ito naman muli akong kakanta. But ito na may para sa aking anak ng aking prinsesa si Thea. Dinededicate ko tong kantang to sa aking prinsesa Juliana Althea si Zelda. Hoping magustuhan to ng aking prinsesa. Snow glows white in the mountain tonight, for the footprint to be seen. The snow white ay mali pa pala, like the footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, it just look like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like a stream strong inside. Could it keep it? Heaven knows I try. Don't let me see. Be a good boy, you haven't want to be. Conceal the fear, don't let go. Well, now I know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Don't waste time at all. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storms rage on. Don't never bother me anyway. Funny how so distant makes everything seem small. And now I feel once control me, can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do. Test the limit, break through. The right hand gonna work for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I want you high in the sky. Let it go, let it go. You never see me cry. Here I stay, here I stay. Let the storm rage on. My power filled the air into the ground. My soul is fighting in the frozen fire all around. And once the crystal like I still am blessed. I never going back. The past is the past. Let it go, let it go. I'm rising high, breaking down. Let it go, let it go. The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand, and I out there. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. Hoping magustuhan ng aking prinsesa ang aking kinanta. Ito'y para sa kanya lang.